Coca and pineapple. I think I know I did Roma. Roma and cans are leaked. Thank you, Main Squeeze. You were doing a big one earlier. I love me a Main Squeeze live. Hey, Holy Pain. Thank you. Hey, Christina. Thank you, Main Squeeze. You do love me. You're gonna better what? We got pine, lemon, and less oil. Then we got Roma and cans. Hey, Tink. I'm making you sleepy. I just checked for the puzzle. It wasn't there. I'm gonna check back in like... Can someone remind me in 10 minutes? For the puzzle. Remind me every 10 minutes. Yes, it's pine and lemon. It smells amazing. Thank you. Okay, Simplicity, that's fine. What's your young intern self? Go ahead. follow me. Chat, I'm gonna need some more interaction, like a little bit. I need y'all live. Y'all falling asleep on me. Thank you for the heart puff. I know my squeeze is so good, like my live's so good, you're just falling asleep, but wake up. Thank you for the kitty cats. Let's try to hit my live goal, chat. Thank you. Sleep monster on the bed. Hey, Chazelle. Hey, Brittany. Thank you for the gifts. Well, I don't know why I said hey. I already know. Yeah, Bree, the TikTok, the likes was being weird. I'm pretty sure we would have been at more than 6K likes. You fell asleep, so you woke up because I was like, wake up. But like some loud, annoying voice. As long as y'all share out the live. Thank you for reaching my live goal. Just say that's exactly what I'm dead. You can't repost it? What the helly? Maybe it's only being weird for some people because I was watching Gain earlier and she had like 75,000 likes. So I'm like, but I knew I was in somebody else's live earlier too, and it was being weird. So I'm like, some people's lives like it's good and some people not. I wonder how TikTok chooses. I be tapping it up in other people's lives. I be like, I be tapping the screen so hard. My finger hurt. Hey, Suds with Maniaca. This is so yummy, chat. If anyone wants to add any cans, let me know. I have lemon and OG available. You want to eat it? I don't know, not freaky. That sounds kind of freaky to me. But I don't know, that's just me though. Yeah, I think the lemon vanillin, like the lemon liquids. Let's get some more powder in here. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching me and being on my live right now.